Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete an image from Google Docs. So if you have an image attached to a Google document like this and you want to remove this, there are several ways that you can do to delete it. The first one is you can just click on a certain image that you want to delete and then just right click on it, and here you can see the delete option. So just tap on that and just like that the image will be deleted. So that's the first way. Or the second way is just you can use your keyboard. So you can click on the image. I'm going to show you the on-screen keyboard first. Okay, so what you need to do is just click on the delete on your keyboard, delete button. So let's click on delete, and just like that also the image will be deleted in seconds. So that's pretty much it. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks.